after that loss, actually, I rallied and talked to them that it's going to be tougher every single game after that loss. Why? Obviously, UST is the defending champions, and no one expected us, to be honest, that we're gonna play neck to neck against them. And then, sabi ko lang sa kanila, if we really wanted to be part of that elusive Final Four, we have to play the whole game. Last game, we played great basketball in the last 37 minutes. The last 3 minutes, we played the old school Adamson Lady Falcons ball. So before the game today, sinabihan ko sila, I talked to them, told them, with Casey De La Rosa, the MVP, Macanjula, we have to play the whole game. We cannot celebrate for 35 minutes, 36 minutes, 37 minutes, or whatsoever. We have to celebrate after that 40 minutes. And after the huddle, ng halftime, they were telling me, Coach, we'll be back. And I'm really confident with this group of players that we have kasi they are really buying into what we wanted to achieve and our system also.
Thank you, Coach Ryan. To Cam, you had 30 points, 5 rebounds. So, what can you say about beating one of the Final Four contenders in Ateneo? What can you say?
Since we are coming from a painful loss last Sunday against UST, so we decided to bring the aggressiveness to this game today. We don't care if they are the MVP or the Final Four, but we show ourselves. It's simple.
Thank you to Cassel May. You had 11 points, 3 assists, and plus 27. Very efficient. So, ano masasabi mo na yun nga, tinalo nyo yung isa sa mga Final Four contenders and yun nga, malaking bawi kayo, malaki yung bawi nyo from the previous loss against UST. What do you think?
Masasabi ko lang po from that game is, dapat sinunod ko lang po talaga si Coach dinala ko po yung puso ng bawat isa po namin, nakuha po namin ang panalo.
Okay, thank you. The floor is open for questions.
Coach, of course, not taking moral victories after that close game against UST, pero what were the positives that you were able to bring into this game na talagang nakabawi din kayo ngayon against Ateneo?
Basically, it's about knowing their identity. You know, before the season, a lot of people are counting us out, mainly because we didn't join a lot of tournaments and we didn't have the recruits, you know, the so-called blue chip recruits. I think it was a testament and a statement for the players that we can play side by side, neck to neck against the top teams. Although we didn't win against UST, the reception that I got from them after that loss, parang they were still positive. Even after that loss, diba, I even told them na I'm frustrated not because of whatsoever. I'm frustrated because I believe they really deserve that win. But today, they showed that they deserve to win. We were down how many? 10, 15? Against, you know, basically, I mean, arguably the best player right now in the women's basketball in KC. It's a total collective effort. Total collective effort. We played 14 players and even the single player, they all contributed. Lahat na pumasok. You can see they contributed either on defense or on offense. So that's the best takeaway that we get from this game.
For the two players, after 4 games, I know it's still a long season, but how are you guys feeling in terms of your confidence that you guys can compete with any other team here in the UAAP?
Confidence is there already. We just keep the energy going. The way we played, we keep going till the end of the season. The confidence is there. We believe in each other and trust each other. So that's what we need.
Sabi ko po, yun po, wala season kasi din, sama-sama po kami at malayo pa po yung season, yun lang po yung natin kami lang.
Kung Coach Ed na lumagit is Casey, arguably the best player in women's basketball right now. You held her to only 3 shots after in the past series parang nearing 20-20 siya kada laro. So can you talk about how you limited Casey offensively tonight, or today rather?
Like what I said, it's a total collective effort. I was telling after our game against UST, that the bigs needs to step up talagang it will be a tough and really hard game for them kasi you're facing against KC. But then again, hindi lang naman yung bigs na magtatrabaho. I think our guards collectively did a good job today. Forcing a lot of turnovers. As you can see in the stats, we had 29 points of turnovers. That shows a lot of character kasi, like what I said, it's a collective effort. Not just the bigs, the guards are helping them. They're trying. Our game plan was to try to take away or limit the touches. So, talagang pinipressure ng guards. Just really proud of how they did our game plans for today. Parang we stuck to it kahit na they were leading it in the first early part of the game. Yeah.
Coach Ren, nabanggit na collective effort. So, ngayon 33 turnovers na forces atin yun. So, can you talk about Adamson's defensive identity going into the rest of the season?
Like what I said, we are not the tallest team. We are not the biggest team. We don't have a bodybuilder in our team. May nagko-question pa nga sa akin kung pinasok niya yung pinakamaliit na player sa UAAP. But she got the biggest heart. For us, it was all art and pride. You know, we want to make an identity not just on as a school, as Adamson, but we want to showcase that our main identity is the defense.
Then Coach, 26 more shots today, 74 for Adamson, 48 for Ateneo, and basically yun yung story ng 18 offensive rebounds compared to 7 ng Ateneo. So, speaking about effort, how proud are you sa stat na to na feeling ko na out-hustle yung Ateneo this game?
Every game, yun talaga yung yung ine-emphasize ko. If you can check our dugout, you can see yun ang first word na makikita nyo. We have to play our game, outsmart and out-hustle that. Kasi nga, sabi ko nga, we are a smaller team. And I think, from these stats alone, you can really see na the girls want it. You know, the frustration from the last loss, ito yung naging yung fruits ng hard work nila. And I hope we can reciprocate more of this in the coming games.
Hello. You'll be playing in your next game. So, what can you say about the only undefeated team right now? So, what can you say?
Even last year, NU for the last 10 years, NU's been dominating the women's basketball. So, everybody wants to, parang sila yung gauge for the last 10 years, for the last decade. Gauge ng how far can you go as a team. So, ang ganda ng ginagawa nila ngayon with the win that they had against UST today. Just trying to find ways to neutralize this or limit their productions, and hopefully the players will start to realize that whoever we're facing, as long as we work together, we can manage to come up with the win. Was telling them every day kasi every game, I always send quotes to the group. And today, the quotes that I sent was, we're gonna beat all odds together. So that's exactly what happened today.
And against AU, they have a very good chemistry in Jainaba Bonate. So what can you say about being the yardstick state? Even they lost the last year to the finals, they're still one of the teams to beat here in the UAE.
There's nothing special. I don't know what to say about that, to be honest. We just prepare for her. So there's nothing special. We just stick to the system and stay focused. That's just it. We stay focused, go with the system, follow the coach's instruction, and we play our game.
Congratulations!